It's about ready now to cook, and I put it in roast in the oven, and I can't wait to eat. Thank you, people, and God bless you. Have to watch more when it's ready, and I can't wait to tell you when it's ready. It is an amazing day to cook more food on Sunday, and I can't wait to eat it. Thank you, people. Always love. Look. If I saw honey carrot, and I can't wait to eat. Thank you so much. And please subscribe for more if you watch for the first time. Thank you, people. And God bless you. When it's ready, I'll show you. And you can love to watch, and it's gonna smell nice soon after it's ready. And I can't wait. Thank you. Hallelujah. Praise to God. Hallelujah. Praise to God. Hallelujah. Praise, 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 praise to God. I can't wait to cook it. I can't wait to cook it. I can't wait. And I can't wait. I can't wait to cook it, my Lord, my God. I can't wait to cook it, my Lord, my God. It is another awesome day, my Lord, my God. It is another awesome day, my Lord, my God. I can't wait to cook it, my Lord, my God. Hallelujah, praise to God. Hallelujah, praise to God. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Thank you for the food we have. Thank you for your creation, my Lord, my God. And I can't wait to cook and eat it with my family, my Lord, my God. Hallelujah, praise to God. Hallelujah, praise to God. Hallelujah, 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 praise to God. Love you, people. God bless you.